Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to withdraw money to bank account on PayPal. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to withdraw your money from PayPal, well, this one is quite easy. How do you do it? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up PayPal here, and you want to go ahead and select your homepage here and just access your balance. Let's go ahead and click on balance. Now, inside your PayPal balance, you should be able to see a number of things. That includes the transfer button they see at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and just click or press on it. Now, this will ask you to basically choose the card or the account that you want to basically transfer to. So obviously this is a secure page. It's going to be black on yours. But in this case, you want to go and just click on the payment method here, the account that you want to transfer to, and click on the next button. Now, from here, they will ask you to provide the amount so that you could make the transfer. Now, just to give you some idea, this is what it's going to look like. So you just need to enter the amount that you want to transfer here, and it will also indicate how much you can actually transfer. Now, once you've indicated how much you want to transfer here, just click on the next button. Now, next is you just need to review your transfer here. So you can go and just confirm a few things, the amount you are actually sending, and once you are sure, you can go and just click on the transfer now at the very bottom of your screen, and that should make the transfer. Now, just keep in note that the transfer will take around 1 to 3 business days, so the recipient or your account may have to wait. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.